everyone, this is Emma from Zhejiang Shanghai International Sales Department. Today we will have a factory tour. So you can see we are now in our warehouse. You can see it's very huge. We have more than 10 million warehouse to store our auto furniture items. And you can see we have lots of customers logo in here. And this is our Walmart customer. This is one of beach chairs in here. And you can see the Walmart is the very biggest of the world. So we have a very good relationship with him. Also, you can see this is Sunnyville logo. That is our own brand. We can ship them. We can make them ready to ship. So no matter you order 10 pieces or 1,000 pieces, we can ship them directly. Also, we can print your logo as a MOQ. We can keep going, and you can see this is a very promotion of the furniture items. This is a 3 pieces item with steel material, and you can see the customer logo is also very famous in the world. It's HC customer, and we also have a good relationship with this customer. So welcome to our Shanghai to make the visit. That's all. Very appreciate it. Let's see you next time. Bye.